design appointment. Come on inside. One thing you can do to prepare for your design appointment is really gather some inspiration. So that could be anything from Pinterest boards to Instagram photos, any magazines that you may have, you can thumb through and find things that you really connect with. There's also other things where if you have maybe an heirloom painting that you're going to be bringing to your house, that could be some sort of inspiration. So all of these ideas and things that you can gather that inspire you prior to coming to your design appointment is really going to help your designer. And it's also going to help you too. Another useful tip in preparing for design appointment is prioritizing your wants and your needs for your house. So really think about what's important to you and prioritize those things, from the ideas of, do you need extra storage in your house? Is it important for you to have a really durable type of floor? What are your thoughts on upgrades of appliances, your backsplash? Do you need extra lighting in your house? These are all kind of things that you'll want to prioritize before going into your design appointment. Welcome back into my office. Another way that you can prepare for your design appointment is to determine your budget. We also like to refer to this as an investment range. This is something that you want to discuss prior to coming into your design appointment so that you feel confident in your decision making and feel good leaving the appointment. Okay, you're prepared for your design appointment. You gathered inspiration, you determined your budgets, and you prioritized your wants and needs. Now let's go see Sabrina.
Welcome to the Design Studio. I'm Sabrina. During your design appointment, you will be making selections for many of the items that the builder installs in your brand new home. One thing to remember is that you will be answering a lot of questions. We want to make sure that we have the correct style and aesthetic, so we will review and evaluate any image shots or questions you may have. Your designer has extensive knowledge of all of the products being utilized and can answer any questions you have about the functionality and technical specifics. Not only do we talk about the size of the tile, patterns, we also discuss grout, the light fixtures, the plumbing fixtures, anything that the builder uses for your home. It's a lot, and we try to make it fun.
Congratulations, you've successfully completed the selection process in your home buying journey. Don't second guess yourself. You've done a great job of choosing the right investments for your new home. Now you'll be moving on to the construction phase.
Your builder will be scheduling a pre-construction meeting with you.
The builder will go over all of the interior specifications that you selected at the design studio.
We hope this video helps you in your home building journey.